The Cambodian Human Rights Committee has denounced Thailand's unilateral closure of border crossings as a grave violation of human rights. In a statement released today, the committee said Thailand's decision to close the border without prior notification to Cambodia has significantly impacted the fundamental rights and freedoms of citizens. These include the right to freedom of movement, the right to a decent standard of living, the right to work, access to information, health care, and education. The committee stated that Thailand's actions violate Article 13 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and Article 12 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, both of which guarantee freedom of movement. It further asserted that the closures affect Article 11 of the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights, and infringe upon additional provisions, including Article 23 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and Article 6 of the same international covenant. The Cambodian Human Rights Committee also pointed to Article 19 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, which guarantees the right to access information, saying this too has been breached by the border closures. The committee went on to warn that Thailand's unilateral actions have disrupted access to health care and education, violating Articles 12, 13, and 14 of the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights. According to the committee, the closure of lawful and safe border crossings may compel individuals to resort to irregular migration routes, particularly workers seeking employment. This raises the risk of human trafficking, especially for vulnerable groups such as women, children, the elderly, and persons with disabilities. Separately, the Center for Alliance of Labor and Human Rights reported today that more than 100 Cambodian migrant workers, including young children, were deported from Thailand through the Poipet International Border Gate at 6 p.m. on June 25th. According to the report, the group had been detained since 5 a.m. in Aranya Prathet District, Sa Kaeo Province, Thailand. Central stated that based on direct observation by its SMA team and local labor networks, as well as interviews with undocumented workers, some Cambodians were arrested by Thai police at their workplaces. Others had walked from their job sites to the border in hopes of being sent home to Cambodia. Cambodia has called for greater transparency and cooperation in border management to protect migrant rights and uphold international obligations.